How to delete GCash account. So if you want to delete a GCash account, then what you need to do is you can simply go with your browser. So open up your browser, and under browser, you just need to simply go with the search. Under search, you need to search for delete GCash account. Once you search for it, here you will have GCash Help Center, where you will have the delete or choose your GCash account. Tap on the first option. Once you choose, now you just need to simply scroll down, and here you will have an option of account deletion request form. So simply tap on it, and it will take you to the account deletion request form. So you just need to simply enter the first name or full name, and then your registered mobile number. Or you can simply go with click here to file a request option, and you can add some extra details, or you can simply attach any screenshots if you have, or you can add file or drop files and go with submit. Once you've submitted, then your GCash account will be deleted. So that's how you can permanently delete your GCash account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.